Alright, let's see inside of a old wireless mouse. So I gave it one big hit, and as you can see, it's just a mouse, and so that came off, and you can see the inside. So oh jeez, this is hard. It's plastic. So I just pulled off the top, and here's the wheel. There's just some plastic wire. I'll get that off. Nothing in there. There's some gold foil. You see, not that much gold. So pretty much there's just a nice little circuit board. Not too much stuff on, but not too little. Let me see. There's not that much. Some ceramic capacitors, but a little wheel is not too much, but it's still a very nice circuit board, as you can see. So I was thinking about just making a video about this, but now I realize, why not make a video on why not make a video of the mouse with a wire? There's a whole bunch of deer over there. Oh, let me scooch back. So here's the wired mouse. It stinks to have to plug this into your computer. So let me just give it a couple hard hits. I need to hit it more. Good thing it's got a cord, else this would be much longer process. Gosh. Let me get this open and then I'll start the video again. Okay, so this is really cool. As you can see, with only one swing, not of the hammer, I got all these pieces off. They were all over the yard. I had to pick them up, but always pick up stuff when you're scrapping. I held this by the wire. I just spun it around and whammed it on the ground. So this circuit board is much different. Let me get it close to show you. So here's the one that doesn't have a wire. See, here's the one that does have a wire. Much more different and nice. There's a tantalum capacitor there. Nice piece for my element collection. Let me grab that. So the older mouse actually has more goodies, I guess you could say. Alright, so now I got a nice little thing. That LED light might come in handy for me, so let's take that. What else is on here? Whatever that is, I don't need it. Is there a light bulb on this one? Is that a tantal? What is that? Weird. I'm back onto the wireless mouse because I see because there might actually be like a tantalum capacitor on the other side of this, because there was on that one. It's Friday night. I just got out of school, so what else could I do? So I was bored and I thought, why not take some more stuff apart? Ugh, why is this so hard for me? wall and slide it under. Try and lift this up. See if there's anything. No, I don't think there's anything on the bottom besides some silver plated parts, but those aren't anything else, so you see nothing else. I mean, that's some gold maybe right there, but I mean, not a huge amount. No, that's not gold. What metal is that? Just aluminum. So yeah, nothing else on the back. I wonder, is that a light bulb? Oh, I found the light bulb for this, I think. For that. What? I'm sorry, I'm having a problem. I can't figure out what's the light bulb.